Now, who said that bondage had to be all about leather and black? Hi, I'm Laura from Adulttoymegastore, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Fantasy Fetish series from Pipe Dreams Bright Pink Beginner's Bondage Set. So this comes with an array of lovely, amazing bright pink gear for you. We've got some tethers, and these can go underneath your bed or tie to a headboard, and you've got some very lovely holds for you to be able to really hold on. These come with a clip. As you can see, it's very easy to get in and out of, just like a seatbelt, because safety, as always, is a precaution. So we've got quite a few of the tethers, and you've also got some cuffs. So again, these come with the lovely safety belt clip, and they've got this kind of very nice softer fabric that's going to feel really good against your wrists and ankles. It also comes with a nylon ball gag. So this is great. It's a nice, easy, smaller version, so it's good for those beginners. And it also includes a free eye mask, which I've forgotten to put in the box. But you do get a free satin eye mask with it as well. So this is the Fetish Fantasy Series Beginner's Bondage Set in pink.